Hello guys, this is part 3 of our quick start tutorial on our TextBlob. So on this video we are going to do on the part of speech tags on our TextBlob text. Part of speech are like let me show you. These are the list of tags, but these are the just named few. So wherever we have a noun, going to print NN on the word noun. So these are the tags that will be used on the part of speech. Whether if the name is a noun, so the tag we are going to get from on the next to the word is NN. So let's demonstrate that using the TextBlob. So let's see how to get the part of speech on our TextBlob we defined in our previous video on our text editor. So this is what we have done on our part 1 of the video. Imported the text box and we defined the text we are going to use, and then we created the text box to use on our videos. So now this is the first video we are going to use the text box we created. So we are going to get the part of speed tags from our text box we defined, and it just simple goes the part of speech tags is used to we get the part of speech tags using the tags from the blob we created. So it's just simple blob dot tags. So print part of speech. So let's see the part of speech tags from our text blob we defined. So head to your encoder and clear the past, then run the program again. Say our So as you can see, these are the part of speech tags according to the text we have. So you can see like dread is a noun, that's why it prints NN. So that's all on the part of speech tags on our TextBlob text we defined. So in the next video we are going to look on the noun phrase extraction. So thank you.